Hi children, today we are going to learn about calendar. Okay, already we have studied days of a week and months of the year, right? So some months have 30 days while other months have 31 days. Except February, remaining all are having 30 or 31 days. So in February we have 28 days or 29 days. Okay, in February only we have 28 days or 29 days. So except this month, remaining months, some months have 30 days and others have 31 or 31 days. Okay, so we will discuss about today months of the year and days of the week. Okay, so now I will write months of the year. Today we will learn months and days of the week. Okay, in months how many days are there, in which month 30 days are there, and in which month 31 days are there. Okay, today I will teach you. Okay, let us learn calendar. Months of the year. Months of the year. We have how many months? Did you remember how many months we have? Yes, very good. 12 months we have, right? So what are the 12 months? The first month name is January, right? January, January, January. Next, February, February, February. Next, March, 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 right? We have 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December, right? January is the first month of the year. January is the first month of the year. February is second month of the year. And March is third month of the year. Okay, and fourth month is April, fifth month is May, sixth month is June, seventh month is July, 8th month is August, 9th month is September, 10th month is October, and the November is the 11th month of the year, and December is the 12th month of the year. Okay, these are the 12 months. Okay, so in January we have 31 days, right? 31 days, and in the month of February we have 28 days or 29 days only. Okay, next in the month of March we have 31 days. Okay, in the month of April 30 days, May 31 days, right? And in the 6th month we have 30 days. July month we have 31 days. Okay, and in the month of August we have 31 days. Okay, in September month 30 days, and in the month of October, that is 10th month, 31 days we have. Okay, and in the month of November 30 days. In the last month of the year, December, have 31 days. Okay, so January has how many days? 31 days. February has 28 or 29 days. Okay, and remaining all are having 30 or 31 days except February, right? So in the year, if February has 28 days, in the year February has 28 days. Then the days of the year will be 365 days. Total days of the year. Okay, if February month has 28 days, then in that year we have 365 days total. Okay, so that is called ordinary year. Ordinary year. If February has 28 days, then the year is called ordinary year. Okay, normal year. Next, if February has 29 days, if February has 29 days, then that year is called leap year. Okay, if February has 29 days, then the total days of the year will be 366 days. Okay, so that year is called leap year. Okay, ordinary year and leap year. Ordinary year has 365 days, leap year has 366 days. Okay, so these are the 12 months, right? So how can you remember these days? January has 31 days, March has 31 days, April has 30 days. So I will tell simple trick. So see here, up and downs are there now here, right, in our hand. So follow the months names. January and February downside, March upside, April downside, May, June, July. Then come to again August, September, October, November, December. Okay, count the months names up and down. Okay, so if the month names comes upside, then the total number of days in that month are 31 days. Okay, if the month name comes downside, so that month has 30 days. Okay, upside 31 days, downside 30 days. Upside 31 days, downside 30 days. See, January 31 days, February except February. Okay na? Remember, except February. February has 28 days or 29 days only. Okay, so leave February. January, February, March 31 days upside. Okay, April downside, so 30 days. Next May upside 31 days. June 30 days downside. July upside 31 days. After completing this, come to here again. Yes, August also upside 31 days. September downside 30 days. October upside 31 days. November downside 30 days. And December, here we got upside now this month, so 31 days. So this is the simple trick to remember days of the months. Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the 12 months in a year. Okay, so if February has 28 days, so total number of days in a year how many? 365 days, and that year is called what? Ordinary year. Okay, and if the February month has 29 days, then the total number of days in a year 366 days. Okay, so if we have 366 days in a year, that year is nothing but leap year. Okay, now we'll learn the days of the week. So we have how many days in a week? Yes, 7 days in a week. So 7 days, each day has particular name, right? Each day has particular name. What are those? Yes, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These are the 7 days in a week. Okay, now we'll see days of the week. See here, days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are the 7 days. Okay. So a month has 31 days or 30 days, right? A month has 31 days or 30 days, right? Each month has 4 weeks. Okay, each month has 4 weeks. Okay, so 1 week is equals to 7 days. 1 week is equals to 7 days. These are the 7 days. Okay, a month has 31 days or 30 days. We have learned just now, no? So each month has 4 weeks. Okay, each month has 4 weeks except February. So 4 weeks. So 1 week is equals to 7 days. 1 week is equals to 7 days. Those are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, these are the days of the week. Okay, now see here we have some bits. 365 days is equals to, tell me, 365 days is equals to 1 year. Okay, 1 year is equals to 12 months. 1 year is equals to 12 months. 1 month is equals to how many days? 30 days or 31 days, right? Next, 1 week is equals to 7 days. 1 week makes 7 days. Okay, so 365 days make 1 year. 1 year is equals to 12 months. 1 month have 30 days or 31 days. 7 days make 1 week. Okay, see how many days are there in a leap year. In an ordinary year we have 365 days, no? So in a leap year how many days? Tell me. Yes, 366 days. Okay, 366 days. Next, list the months which have 31 days. List the months which have 31 days. We have 12 months, no? So in each month we have some months 30 days or 31 days. So here he asking, so here he is asking only 31 days. So what are the months? January, okay, March has also 31 days, May and July, August also has 31 days, okay, and October, last one is December. Okay, these are the months which have 31 days. January, March, May, July, August, October and December. Okay, so see here, January 31 days, February, so don't write. March 31 days, write. April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, so don't write. July 31 days, August, September, October, November, December. So which are having 30 days, don't write, only having 31 days right here. Next, which month comes beginning of the year? Which month comes beginning of the year? Very good, January. January is the first month of the year, no? So January. Okay, so we have so many questions on this topic. How many days in a week, how many months in a year, which is the leap year. Okay, so this is your class, children. Hope you understand this class. If you like my class, please like it, share it and subscribe it.